If you're going to be out of office, either on vacation or whatnot, and you know you won't be responding to emails, you can actually set an out of office reminder. All you want to do is go to the top of the page on settings and click on general settings. And once you're in, you will want to scroll down all the way to the out of office auto reply. So once you're here, you're going to want to click on out of office auto reply on, and you can actually click and select the first day, and you can also select the last day that you will be out of office. If you don't want to do that, you can actually remove it manually, and I will show you that in a bit. So here in the subject, you will want to write out of office, and then you can write your message here in the bottom. I will be on holiday until the 12th of May. I will respond to all emails on my return. So you could click like that, and you can actually choose to send this auto reply only to people who are in your contacts list. You could do that by clicking this little box here. Once you're done writing your email, all you have to do is click Save Changes. So once you've clicked Save Changes, you'll see here in the top, there's actually a reminder that you have an out of office auto reply on. And let's say you want to end it manually. All you have to do is click on End Now. And as you will see, that yellow bar will disappear. Now, once that yellow bar is gone, that actually means that your out of office has been removed. And there you go. That's how you add and how you remove an out of office auto reply. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.